This is Noor, an electrician who has spent his entire life bringing light into the homes of others. Yet today, his own world is slowly fading into darkness. In a small, modest room, as each morning begins, Noor's hands instinctively rise to his eyes, as if gently pressing them could ease the pain, as if hope could be held between his palms. For months now, his vision has been slipping away. Light, the very thing he works with, has become nothing more than a blur. And still, the flame of hope continues to glow within his heart. Every day, with trembling hands raised in prayer, he whispers, "O Allah, do not take away my light." Noor has never feared responsibility. He knows that the groceries in his kitchen, the school fees of his children, the dignity of his home, all depends on the tools inside his weathered toolbox. He rides his bicycle along familiar streets, but now every turn, every face, every shadow feels uncertain, indistinct, distant. At the park where he works, he climbs ladders and connects wires, turning darkness into brightness for others. But one day, as a tool slips from his hand and he climbs down to retrieve it, suddenly darkness overwhelms him. A sharp wave of pain pierces through his eyes. He collapses onto the ground. And in that frightening moment, one thought echoes within him. If I lose my sight, who will become the light of my home? That fear becomes his prayer. But sometimes, when hope feels far away, help arrives unexpectedly. A representative from Lions Medical Complex sees Noor's condition and approaches him with concern. "Are you all right? Is something wrong with your eyes?" With a heavy heart, Noor shares his fear. "I'm afraid, what if I lose my sight completely?" The reply comes gently but firmly. "You are not alone, and for your pain you have found those who care. At Lions Medical Complex, our trust hospital provides complete eye care, even advanced cornea surgery. Our mission is simple: to protect the light of hard-working people like you." The next day, Noor steps into Lions Medical Complex. A clean, welcoming environment, compassionate staff, experienced eye specialists. For the first time in months, he feels reassured. After detailed examinations, scans, and tests, the diagnosis is cleared: a cornea condition, serious but treatable. And because he came in time, his vision can be saved. The surgery begins inside a modern operating theater. Expert surgeons, assisted by advanced technology, perform the delicate cornea procedure. Then comes the moment that changes everything. The bandage is slowly removed. Noor holds his breath. He opens his eyes. At first, the light feels overwhelming. But gradually, the world comes into focus. And in that instant, Noor realizes light has not just returned to his eyes, it has returned to his life.
अस्पताल ने बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इन्होंने चलाना ने दरमियान आँख बनाई इन्होंने बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अल्लाह ने लंबी जिंदगी काम से सेहत दे दे।
Under the banner of Lions of Lahore Welfare Organization, Lions Medical Complex is more than a hospital. Every day, people like Noor walk through these doors and walk out seeing the world clearly once again. If you or someone you love is facing any eye problem, do not delay. Early diagnosis can save vision. You can support this mission of light through your donations and charity contributions. Lions Medical Complex, where light is not just restored to the eyes, but returned to life. Come, let us spread light together.